The coast of North Carolina is home to some amazing dive sites, and it's one of the only places in the world where you can dive for these prehistoric megalodon teeth. Captain Chris Slog with Wrightsville Beach Diving has been leading charters on the Ledge Tender, a customized 30-foot SeaTech. From sport fishing and spear fishing charters to stunning shipwreck dives, they do it all, including visits to the famous Megalodon tooth ledges.
I didn't really consider Wilmington as a diving place.
It was kind of a hidden gem for a while.
Right.
Out here, we're 40 miles off the coast, so we have beautiful blue water, tons of fish life, live sharks.
So it's just a beautiful dive as well as you can find megalodons.
Exactly, yeah.
Talk to me about what a megalodon is.
So Megalodon is an extinct species of shark. It was the largest shark to ever live. They got between 50 to 60 feet long.
It's a big
Yeah,
animal.
yeah.
So that's what we're looking at behind us are
Yes.
megalodon teeth.
Yes.
And these have come out of here.
All
Just right
off
here.
the coast of Wilmington. It's one of the only places in the world you can actually dive and find Megalodon teeth.
Wow.
We've got a unique geology off the coast here that has exposed these fossil layers. You have to know where to find them. And we have thousands and thousands of ledges out there that we dive,
Wow.
and only about 5% of them actually have teeth uncovered. People come from all over the world to do it, and a lot of divers, this is their dream to come out and find Megalodon teeth.
The Megalodon tooth ledges are located anywhere between 95 and 110 feet below the water's surface. Divers must be both advanced open water certified and nitrox certified.
So when they come up, they're covered in marine growth, barnacles, calcium growth, things like that. What you want to do is put them in a mild acidic solution. So we use apple cider vinegar, and that'll soften up all the growth on the teeth. And you brush it off, and you don't damage the tooth by doing that. Get it all nice and pretty. You don't polish it. We don't do anything else to them. If they shine, that's natural. If they don't, that's natural too.
For prehistoric teeth the size of your hand, you have to dive to the Meg Ledge, just off the Wilmington coast.